What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Ramesh here, and here in this video I will be showing how to create a attractive thumbnail for your YouTube channel for 100% free using this website called canva.com. And here you can see this is my Canva account, and you can create your own account. It's totally free. And here let me show you how to create YouTube thumbnail. Before that, here below you can see my designs. These are my different designs I've created with this Canva. Alright, and here you can see the cool thing about this website is you can create a lot of different social media posts and different designs you can create using this website. Here you can see social media presentation wild, I don't know what is that, poster, Facebook cover. You can design the Facebook cover, also flyer, Facebook post, Instagram post, a whole lot of things you can create. And to create thumbnail for your YouTube channel, here is an option called YouTube thumbnail. Here you can see, just click on it. Alright, it's going to open in a new tab. It's gonna look like this, right guys? Here you can see these are the different templates you can use. Right now, here let me select this template and just grab it over here. Right, here the cool thing is you can edit any of these features. You can edit this picture, you can edit this text, everything. You can design different borders, later I will be showing that. And before that, let me grab this picture here and this text over here, right? And so if you want to delete any of these features, you can see this delete button. Just click on it. It's going to delete. Right now, you can edit the text. Let me type how to create attractive thumbnail for your YouTube channel. Right, and here on the top you can choose different fonts. Right, you can select whichever font you want. Let me select this font. Right, and you can choose different size of your text. Right, you can see, and here color of the text, you can choose different colors here, or else if you want custom color, you can click on this plus button, and here this bar you can choose whichever color and select the point intensity of the color. You can select here. Right, and now here you can choose the bold or else inclined, and here the alignments, text alignments. You can click to right, or if you want for center, you can select here. And here uppercase and lowercase, and here you can make different, if you want to make bullet points, here you can make the bullet points. And the spacing, you can choose the letter spacing here. Right, now you can see whichever how much you want, you can select the letter space here. And line height, if you want to choose line height, if you want to adjust different line heights, you can adjust here. All right, now, and if you want to have copy, and if you want to have the copy of this text, you can just click on here, so copy will be generated. Right, and position, you can adjust the position of your text wherever you want. On the top, if you want on the top, you can adjust, or else on the middle, left, right, center, okay, whichever. So wherever you want, you can adjust the position of your text. And the transparency, and coming to here, transparency, you can adjust the transparency of your text. All right, you can I would recommend you guys make sure transparent is 100%, so that your text appear very clear, right? And here you can link, if you want to link, you can if you want to link this text, you can link here. Here, coming to picture, you can delete this picture, and you can choose here different delete image. And coming to uploads, here you can upload your own image from your computer, right? So right now already uploaded an image, so I'm gonna choose that right here. So just grab and drop it here, right? And you can resize this image like this, right? And whichever direction you want, you can resize like this. And let me change the color of this text to black. Right now you can see how to create attractive thumbnail for your YouTube channel. And here also you can add different elements for your design. Here you can see different free photos, grids, shapes, charts, different lines, frames, everything you can. So you can choose different elements here. If you want to choose photos, you can choose here, and graphics you can choose. And here, coming to text, you can add different text, right? So if you want to add a single line, or else if you want to add text templates, you can choose from here. So most of them are free, right? That is cool. And here, coming to background, you can add different background to your design, right? Just grab and place it over here. So you can see here background has been changed. So that's how you can choose different backgrounds for your design. And now after finishing your design, here you can see the download button on the top right corner. Just click on it, and always choose file type PNG. It's high quality image, so choose PNG and just click on download. So it's gonna prepare your design. After that, just close this pop-up button, and here you can see it started to download my design. And here, after downloading this image, you can directly upload to your YouTube channel, and that is how you can create attractive thumbnail for your YouTube channel. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.